Hello and welcome to this tutorial. Today I did a model of a rigid impact to the composite panel, which is made with a steel wire as a reinforcement at the top, then the glass epoxy fiber, and after that the aluminium foam. We use Johnson Cook model, hardening and damage for the steel reinforcement, hardening damage criterion for the glass epoxy, and crushable foam coupled with ductile damage criterion for the uh, metal foam. Let me click on animate. We use 1/4 of the model because of the symmetry, and you can see the deformation and the damage which happened. And this is the last frame. Now let's me to use view ODB mirror, make it full model or whole model. You can see that. And now let me replace the part name is glass epoxy. Here XY view. Let me check the damage for it. Click on animate. See the damage propagations and the full failure happen here. Compression for the fiber, tension for the fiber, compression for the matrix, and the last one, tension for the fiber. And these are the outputs for the glass epoxy, and you can see here this is the deformation. We can request other damage type, for instance like this, but let me make it stress. Request the part name is, this is the metal foam, this is the metal foam, aluminium foam, and this is the stress. We can request damage for it. You can see the damage in the metal foam. And now let me replace the steel reinforcement, Johnson Cook damage, the plastic strain, the deformation or stress or anything. So if you want to model the high or low velocity impact, no problem. High or low velocity impact for the steel reinforcement as the wire part and glass epoxy and metal foam, you can use this tutorial here. We explain all details during the tutorial video, and after that you will learn all things about this. And if you have any questions, you can contact us to answer your question. So if you need this tutorial, you can come to our website uh, here. Here, this is our website, and this is the tutorial. You can check it here. Click on the title or the blue sign. This is continue. Then you will have the explanation about the geometry, step interaction, load, material model, and the result as figures. Here you can see them. The file contains the INP paper reference for the material and English video and codes step by step. Is 28 euros. We use a PayPal account, Visa or MasterCard for the payment. Before that, send me an email to tell you about the purchasing process and how you can get the download link for this tutorial. Also on our website we have a full package, contains around 430 tutorials about all things here that we mentioned. The main titles here, you can see them here. For a small budget you can provide this package for a small budget, and that's so good for the student and also the researcher, because it contains all things and you will learn all things about the simulation and modeling. So also, if you need this full package, contact me to this email. Thank you for your attention.